Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Today in this video, I will show you how to write an eye-catching LinkedIn summary. At first, go to your LinkedIn profile and click on the summary. Okay, for summary writing, you have to clear your work, your goals and connection. As like, start with who are you, where you work. For example, I am Sadia Ahmed, a digital marketing intern at Condor Technology. Number 2, mention your work, what you do. For example, I focus on SEO, content creation, and YouTube marketing. Number 3, what is your passion or goal? Like why you do that work. For example, I like to enjoy creating blogs, managing social media. It helps to brand grows in online. Passionate about learning new tools and software. It improves my digital skills. At last, connection. It means you are inviting people to reach out, collaborations, or build network with you on LinkedIn. For example, you can write feel free to reach out or open to learning and connection with digital marketing professionals. If you follow these steps, your LinkedIn profile will look more eye-catching. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.